Hey, what's up? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out the 30-day course creator, and maybe you're wondering, is this legit? Is this a good way for you to make money online, or is this a big waste of time? All right, let's check it out. Anytime, if you want to get my favorite way to get to $10,000 a month or more, 100% from home, just click the link below, and I'll share with you my favorite strategy. Now, on this channel, I have reviewed literally hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money online. Some of them are really good, some of them so-so. A lot of them, though, a big waste of time. So let's check out the 30-day course creator to find out whether this is a legitimate way for you to make some big income online. All right, now what is this all about? Now, the 30-day course creator was created by Anthony Gallo, who's here right here, and Paul Xavier as well. They're business partners, and they are very successful entrepreneurs, internet marketers, and course creators. All right, now you can access this particular program on contentcreator.com. They have a few different courses, but today we're going to be reviewing specifically the 30-day course creator. Now, what is this all about? This is all about learning how to create an online digital course and selling it on the internet to generate profit. Now, their promise is to launch and scale a 6 to 7 figure course in just 30 days. Now, we're going to talk all about whether that's really possible. Can you really, launch a 6 to 7 figure course in just 30 days, and how good this course actually is? Who is this for? Who is this not for? Price points and all that great stuff, okay? Now, first of all, I just want to mention that Anthony and Paul are very successful internet entrepreneurs. They know exactly what they're doing. They're filmmakers. The quality of their stuff is super duper high, right? If you've ever seen any of their ads online, they're everywhere, okay? They're all over YouTube, they're all over Instagram, and their ads are really good, all right? So these guys really know what they're doing. Now, in terms of creating a course, what they're doing is they're teaching anybody who wants to learn how to take their expertise, their knowledge, and turn it into a digital course. So the first thing that I want to say about this is that if you want to sell a digital course and create your own course online, you need to have some sort of expertise, okay? So that means that if you're an absolute beginner, you're not good at anything really. That means you don't have any type of expertise. Like, you're not good at meditation, maybe you're not a chef, you don't know how to invest, you don't know how to sing, you don't know how to teach a language, you don't have any specific thing that you could potentially create and sell as a course, then this is probably not the right step for you. There are other ways to do it. Stick around, don't worry. Again, I've reviewed hundreds of different ways to make money online. I'll give you some great suggestions at the end of this video, okay? This is really for people that have some type of expertise that they think they can create into a video course and then sell it online. Now, if you're that type of person, this might be the right step for you, all right? So I'm going to dive into it a little bit more just so that you can see exactly, what this course entails. Now, the first thing that I want to say is that the 30-day course creator curriculum is huge. Okay, it is a very large course. I'm just going to dive into this a little bit here. So you can have a look here, right? Laying the foundation for a 6-figure course, the mindset, which is really important, right? Identifying and mapping out your course, which is going to take a while, how to pre-sell your course, writing your value video, how to write profitable ads, how to shoot the ads, how to edit the value videos. So all these great stuff, how to script the course, how to edit your course content, how to do the email marketing, how to review it, how to create an upsell sequence, all that great stuff, okay? Now let me dive into this a little bit deeper just so you can see how much detail there is in this. This is day number 1, 18 modules. Okay, and the nice thing that I like about what Anthony and Paul have done is they break this up. So if I click in here, you can actually see the detail of what's actually going on in here. So they give you a lot of detail into what the actual course is itself so that you can make a good decision on whether you want to do this or not. Now, here's what I want to say about this, okay? Even though there is a lot of detail in here, and the nice thing about what Anthony and Paul have done is they're very strategic, right? They start with the foundation in mind. They talk all about strategy, how to script the course, how to set it up, how to do the marketing, how to shoot everything properly, how to market the program. They like to market specifically through YouTube ads, Instagram ads, and Facebook ads, right? All paid advertising strategies. They don't do too much free organic stuff, okay? And I'll talk about that in a second as well, right? So it's very detailed, okay? How to scale, how to hire a team, how to systemize your course so that you can make more money on autopilot in the future, right? But what I do want to mention is that this is a long course, okay? 100+ hours, 170 videos plus, and about 150 modules altogether. It is a beast of a course. All right. So it is not something that's short. It is not something where if you're lazy or you think you can make money easily just by creating a quick little course, this is not for you. All right. This is for people that are serious, people that have something that they want to sell. They want to put it into a digital format. They want to sell it online. They want to learn to become a real marketer, because creating a course is actually a very difficult skill set. All right. It's not just about recording it and sharing your expertise, but you have to also learn how to sell it. If you have great information and your course is great, but you're not very good at marketing it, nobody's gonna buy it because nobody's gonna see it. Okay, so it's really two steps. One is recording the course. The second part is learning to market it and sell it properly. If you can't learn to market and sell it properly, you're not gonna make any money. Okay, so while Anthony and Paul do a really good job, I think, of putting it all here together for you, this is not for the faint-hearted. All right, creating a course takes a lot of time. It takes a lot of expertise. It takes you, this is going to take you hours and hours and hours and hours. All right, so we'll talk about the pros and cons in a second, but I just wanted to share that a little bit. Now let's talk a little bit about how much this is going to cost and all that great stuff. Now, at the time of me recording this video, they're doing a Black Friday sale. Okay, so right now you can see right here, it's cheaper than it usually sells. Okay, so I'm just gonna go all the way down, and you can see right here that right now they've got a Black Friday sale. It's gonna sell for $498. All right, now usually this course actually sells for $997. So it's about $1,000 for the price of this course. It's probably, you're probably gonna miss the Black Friday sale because this video of this course is going to be online on YouTube for a long time. So it's very unlikely that you're going to be able to take advantage of their 50% discount. Okay, they say here normally $2,388, but it's actually not. The normal price is $997. It's about $1,000. So is that expensive for a course creation program that teaches you how to build everything from scratch and teaches you how to market it and do Facebook ads, YouTube ads, and Instagram ads? No, it's about normal. I would say that it's an appropriately priced course to teach you how to create a course for yourself and sell it online. Okay, $997, that is pretty normal, I would say, right? They do have a refund policy. It's only 7 days. It's quite short, okay, but at least they have a refund policy. It's no questions asked. If you're not happy with the program, you can ask for a refund and they will refund your money back. Okay, now let's talk about the pros and cons, who this is for and who this is not for, right? So first, I want to mention, the name of the program. It's called the 30-Day Course Creator, all right? I just want to be completely clear with this. This is going to take you way longer than 30 days to script and launch and market your course, all right? Why? Because it's just going to take a long time, right? You have to understand that, there's 100+ hours of training in this program. It is not a short program, right? It's a great program. It's very detailed. And Anthony and Paul have done a great job, but it's going to be very hard for most people to finish everything, take action, film it, do your ads, build out your sales funnels, write all your emails and all that stuff in 30 days. That's just way too short, okay? It's more likely that you're going to complete this in about 90 days. That's what most students have said about the program because it's just a very comprehensive course. Now, by the way, there's nothing wrong with that, all right? Remember, you're building an asset that will be online for a very, very long time, and potentially you can make multiple 5 figures a month, multiple 6 figures a year, but it's not going to be done in 30 days. So, they've called it the 30-Day Course Creator. I think this is slightly misleading because it's so big that most people will not even be able to finish it, and the people that do, it's usually going to take more than 30 days. Now, some people will be able to finish it in 30 days, but I think the majority of people, it's going to take a little bit longer. 60 to 90 days is more realistic, okay? So that's the first thing that I want to say. The second thing is that they focus very heavily on paid advertising, okay? So they teach you how to advertise your course mainly through YouTube ads, Facebook ads, and Instagram ads. Now, I want to mention something about that. There's nothing wrong with doing paid advertising, especially Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, but it is expensive to advertise on these three platforms. Minimum, I would say, at least $1,000 a month. Upwards of that, it's going to be between $1,000 and $3,000 per month to advertise on these platforms. When people tell you that you can start with a couple of dollars a day, they're full of shit. They don't know what they're talking about. I've been marketing online for about 16 years right now. Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, minimum at least $500 to $1,000 a month to start. Actually, $500 is on the lower side. They don't give you as many impressions if you don't spend more money. Okay, so expect to spend minimum $1,000 to $3,000, if not more, a month just on advertising. That means that if you don't have at least a few grand every single month to spend just on advertising, you cannot build this business. Not the way that Anthony and Paul teach. Okay, I just want to be 100% clear on that. The other thing that I want to mention is that in order for you to build a course business where you are building the course, you're filming it, you're editing it, and then you have it online and they teach using Kajabi, which is a great membership platform, right? These are the breakdowns of the price, all right? The platform to manage your membership is about $99 a month, roughly, okay? $99 to $200 a month to house your membership. On top of that, you need equipment to film. Okay, yes, you can film with your mobile phone, but you'll need a microphone and things like that. You'll need an editing software, right? You might need to buy a camera if you don't have a good camera. Multiple ways to do it, but minimum $500 to $5,000 to buy equipment to film and edit your stuff. Now you can do it cheap, like I mentioned. You can just use your mobile phone. Maybe you have an Android or an iPhone, whatever. That's fine too. But you understand that you do need some equipment to start filming and editing. All right. So in total, plus your advertising, which is a minimum of $1,000 to $3,000 per month, expect to spend anywhere from $2,000 to $4,000 or $5,000 a month to run this business. Okay, so it's not super cheap, but it can potentially change your life, right? I just want to be completely transparent because that's just how much it costs to run this type of business. I know because I have my own products, I've run it before, and also I understand exactly what Anthony and Paul are doing here, okay? Now, there's nothing wrong with that, by the way. It's just that these are the things that you have to understand before you decide to dive into building your own course, all right? If you have $100 in your bank account, you cannot start a course creation business. You just can't. Right? Because you need the equipment, you need to pay for advertising, you need the platforms, you need the tools to run your business, and it all costs money. And of course, you have to be able to afford Anthony and Paul's course, which is about $1,000. All right? So here's what I would say. If you're okay with all the budget stuff, if you're okay that this is going to take you a little bit longer than 30 days, you're definitely not going to do this in 30 days, okay? It's just impossible because you have to plan it, you have to script it, you have to film it, you have to edit it, you have to build everything, you have to also go through the entire program, which, that in and of itself is 100 plus hours, which will take you longer than 100 hours because, you're going to have to take notes, you're going to have to break things down. You might have to rewatch things again. It's going to take a bit of time. But remember, you're building a real business, so that is okay as long as you come in with the right expectations. I just wanted to be 100% clear, okay? So what's my full analysis or my, what's my conclusion of the 30-day course created by Anthony Gallo and Paul Xavier? I think it's a great course, honestly, all right? If you want to build a course, if you want to take your expertise from your brain, that's considering that you have something to share. If you have nothing to share, you can't really create a course, okay? But if you're an expert in something, it could be anything, right? Meditation, cooking, languages, affiliate marketing, drop shipping, whatever skill you have, trading, stocks and cryptocurrency, financial management, teaching people how to build relationships, whatever you're good at, if you want to create a course, I think this is a great program, okay? But I just wanted to be 100% clear that some of the things that they mentioned, like the 30-day, it's a little bit unrealistic, all right? It is a great program. It's really long. I don't think a lot of people will be able to get through the entire course, but so a few things, right? If you're lazy, don't buy the course. If you're not serious, don't buy the course, right? If you are not willing to take a lot of action, don't buy the course, right? If you don't have the budget to run a course like this or a business like this, at least a few $1,000s a month on ads. Remember, you got to pay for your platform, your equipment, your tools, your cameras, your editing software, all that stuff. Now, there are some free things that you can use online, but you need the basic stuff. If you don't have the budget for it, you can't start this kind of business. And that's okay. You just have to understand that these are the minimum requirements to start a digital course creation business. But if you can, I think this is one of the best course creation programs out there. All right, so if you want to check it out, you can head to contentcreator.com and you can click around and you can find their 30-day course creation program by Anthony and Paul. All right, I hope you enjoyed this review of the program. All right, if you're here watching this video, maybe you are looking for a way to generate some income. Now on this channel, I have reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different strategies to make money online, all sorts of different business models, courses, websites, tools, apps. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. Now out of all of them, I've put in a lot of money. I've put in a lot of time and energy into a lot of these strategies. There was one strategy that I used to quit my full-time job in 2019. I actually work full-time from home right now, right? I 5 times my old corporate strategy. I think this is a great strategy for any beginner, all right? If you would like to check it out, I've got a free masterclass you can check out. There's a link all the way below this video. You can check that out for free if you would like, all right? I hope you enjoyed this video right now, and I hope to see you on another video review. Take care.